Good morning! So karong adlaw maghuhimo tag pickled radish. As you can see, daghan kay tag radish for today. So here's the process. So first of all, let's cut the radish and then magbutang tag daghan salt ani para ma-drain nato ang excess liquids radish. By the way, don't forget to subscribe to my Facebook and YouTube channel. Ako si Antoinette. So, pickled radish is really my favorite side dish gyud pag-ayo kay lami gyud kaayo ni. So, you can cut it any way that you like. So, I sliced it sa inani nga paagi. So, there you go. So, we will need water. That's 1 cup water, as you can see. So, sa amuha kay Toledo City Water District. So, sa inyo, sig Nawasa or MCWD. So, any clean water na inyong gusto gamitan. Okay? So, there you go. So, 1 cup water ang atong needed para ani. And after that, we need to use 1/2 cup white vinegar. I am using white vinegar. Some people are using apple cider vinegar. So, narana ninyo, ba't man ko apple cider vinegar? So, mauna nga white vinegar. So, 1/2 cup para ha. So, that's 1 cup water and 1/2 cup of white vinegar. Okay? There you go. So, ibutang na nato sa tuang pot na atong kinahanglanon for today. Okay? There you go. And then, after pouring your 1/2 cup nga vinegar, let's bring it to a boil. So, ato siyang pabukalan, as you can see, para ma-incorporate ang vinegar ug ang water. So, dili kanang sa binisaya pa kanang para maluto ang iyahang vinegar. Ayaw ko tawa, let it simmer. Okay? So, it may take a couple of minutes for that to simmer ang ato ang tubig with the vinegar. Okay? So, once again, please subscribe to my channel. Ako si Antoinette on my YouTube channel and Facebook page. So, cook it over low to medium heat. Low to medium heat, okay? Ayaw ng high fire kay naay some odd taste ang vinegar. So, as you can see, nag-simmer na siya. So, in aniya klaseng pagpabukal at kinahanglan para sa water and vinegar mixture. And then, while nagbukal, let's add 1 tablespoon of sugar. You could use white sugar, brown sugar, monk fruit sweetener, anything. But I am using 1 tablespoon of sugar. So, mauna atong kinahanglanon. And then, 1/2 tablespoon. So, this is 1 teaspoon of salt. You can use Himalayan salt if you want it to be healthier. I am just using table salt or rock salt. And then, kutawon nato. Let's mix para mahilish siya or malanay. Okay? So, this is how we want it to be for our pickled radish. Ang uban, butangan lang turmeric para ma-yellow ang color sa radish. Pwede ra gyud kay na siya, wag ginay problema. So, sa akong nakananan sa una sa Baguio, sa isa ka samgyup place, it was purple, and it was because gibutangan nila slices of beets. So, it will make it purple. So, it depends sa panyo. So, kanya ko plain na ni siya nga pickled radish. Okay? So, ako nagipaong ang kayo. Sakto na to. Nahilis na siya. Ang ato ang salt and sugar. So, atong buhaton kay i-pour ni nato later sa ato ang mixture. Okay? So, let it cool first for a couple of minutes before nato ni siya i-cool. Okay? So, there you go. It's now cool, and then later on, we're gonna pour it into our mixture na pickles. So, there's our pickle. So, cool naman siya. Ibutang na nato ang ato ang mixture of vinegar, sugar, and salt. Okay? So, pour it all over there. There you go. There. So, hutdo na to tanan. And then, para ma-incorporate na siya, you can leave it sa fridge for 24 hours to a couple of weeks. Ako, mas akong gipadugay ni, to be honest, kay gusto ko mas mutuhop ang lasa sa ato ang mixture sa pickle. So, and mas lami siya kung mas dugay. And this is really good if you are going to eat, for example, kanang mga sinugba nga isda or sinugba na baboy, barbecue. So, It's really very delicious, good. So any grilled food, this is gonna be perfect. So there you go. That's our pickled radish. So you could refrigerate this for 24 hours or for a couple of weeks rather para mas na ay flavor, okay? So there you go. Thank you so much for watching. So once again, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and Facebook page. Ako si Antoinette. Like my videos. You could share these videos with your friends and family members para makabalupod sila unsaon pagbuhat og pickled radish. Okay? So thank you so much. God bless you all. So here's our finished product of our pickled radish. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day to you. God bless you all. Take care and see you soon on my next upcoming vlog. God bless you. Goodbye. Take care, everyone.